Today we have a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is Cop Catch Dad Wanting to Marry His Daughter.
He's got a muzzle loader.
Hey, let me see your hands! In the backyard.
What?
When a man opens fire on his mother, her friend, and his teenage daughter, police arrive to a rescue situation that quickly spirals into a tense shootout. But no one could have imagined what drove him to pull the trigger in the first place, or the disturbing secret they were about to expose.
Supposedly he's in love with daughter. They're realizing that he's mentally ill and got some situation going on with his own daughter.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On the afternoon of January 17, 2024, dispatchers in Tampa, Florida receive a desperate call to 911.
My son is shooting us at the house.
Your son did what?
He started going, he's shooting at us.
Where in the house was he?
I was in the kitchen with my friend. She had just walked in the kitchen, and he put the gun to her head. He shot at her first and then started shooting me. And then I ran out because he shot at me like 5 times. And then I don't know if he shot my granddaughter. She was in the shower. Sir, he's got a muzzle loader.
Responding officers arrive to find the caller running from the neighbor's house, holding her bleeding head.
Hey, hold on, man.
A second female, the shooter's 17-year-old daughter, flees from the backyard completely nude. Both women are urged to take cover behind the police vehicles.
Do you know how many rounds is in the gun?
No, I don't. It's a cylinder, so there should be 6.
Okay.
Have fire come to attend to these 2 females.
My friend's on the floor.
She has a gunshot.
Can we have you guys go this way, please?
She's bleeding from her side.
Do we have somebody with a shield on the way?
Guys, go to my car, okay?
Everyone, I have 1.
We have, like I said, there's 2 females removed. There's supposed to be still another in the house.
Another officer arrives, quickly escorting the 2 women away from the scene. In seconds, the situation takes a chaotic turn.
Hey, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Where's he? He's got a black jacket. He just ran back in the house. In the backyard.
Wow.
Stop fire.
Careful with crossfire.
More officers arrive, taking positions at the front and rear of the house.
Which house is it? Which house? Get out of the way.
I ain't gonna lie, he better pray he die, because when them inmates find out that he want to marry his daughter, oh boy, you might want to just check out right then and there. You might just want to call it quits right here, man. Let them, let them, do their thing, you know what I'm saying? Turn you into Swiss cheese, man, because you don't want to go in there with the inmates, man.
Front and rear of the house.
Which house is it? Which house? Get out of the way.
Here, on fire. She came out of the side window and the south side of the house.
Hey, get out of there. I'll be back. Where was this door right here? He came outside and shot 2 rounds.
Hit the back of the house. There's no eyes on the back of the house.
Back up a little bit.
He's in the back. He's in the back.
You good, Gibby?
Yeah, I'll be good. I got you. It's this gray house with the panels, right? Get down. I don't see. We gotta get.
Can anyone verify was shots fired by a unit or the suspect? Yes, 236. He shot 2 rounds at me and I shot back.
Suddenly, the suspect emerges, shouting at nearby officers.
Did a bunch of up, man. Oh shit, someone in north of here.
He just opened the door.
Come on with your hands up.
He just opened the front door and screamed and closed it again.
You want to be arrested so I can tell you on the front door.
See your hands. Let me see your hands. Show your hands. Step out. Come out the door. Come out the door. Stand up and come out the door. Down on the ground now. Down on the ground. Down on the ground. Down on the ground.
Hey, cover the window. Cover the window. I got there. One on me.
Hands.
House is clear. House is not clear. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. Give me a hand and drag him out. I got one.
My computer files are all important. My computer files are really important.
Computer file.
Is he the shooter? Do we know?
Stop.
Do we know if he's a shooter?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was him. I'm not sure 100%.
Hey, is this the guy?
Were you alone shooting?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, who else is in the house?
I don't know. There was another person in there, a roommate.
Girl?
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, help me out. Help me out. Let's get him behind.
I'm disabled too. I'm sorry.
Let's do this. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Anything on you?
No.
Be advised, there's a female in there. She's not the shooter.
Stop.
The shooter is identified through his driver's license as 42-year-old Michael Monroe Banks.
Oh yeah, he looked like a Looney Tune. I ain't gonna lie to you. He got that look about him. You know what I'm saying?
The shooter is identified through his driver's license as 42-year-old.
You know, I'm just saying. He got that look, like he got that look, man. I'm trying to tell you. You should have just let them turn you into Swiss cheese. I ain't gonna lie. Cause you about to really go through it. Cause your life is done and over with. You was shooting at cops and everything. You trying? Oh yeah, your life is. You're done. You're done. They gonna treat you in there. You was definitely gonna be someone's bitch in prison. All right. You definitely gonna be somebody's bitch in prison. I ain't gonna lie to you. Is what's gonna happen, man. They gonna put the Kool-Aid on your lips, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. You ain't know. Oh yeah. Inmates wear makeup in there. Oh yeah. They use Kool-Aid packets. Facts. Oh, you ain't know? Yeah. They gonna doll him up real nice. Real nice, man. It's over with. It's over with. You was definitely, big dude named Tyrone, man. You gonna be washing his clothes. You washing his drawers, doing the cooking. Know what I'm saying? Dog, you up real nice, man. That's the reality of it.
Michael Monroe Banks.
Do you have any medical conditions, Mike?
I'm disabled. I have a bunch of medical conditions.
What are some of them, just so?
My right leg's all messed up. And dementia, schizophrenia.
Okay.
Spread your feet. What else? They poisoned me with something at the dentist.
Okay.
With Michael secured, officers prepare to clear the home of additional threats, as well as search for the possible third victim.
All right, hold.
Tampa Police! Are you in there? Can you hear us?
The room to the right, looks like.
Tampa Police, are you in there? Can you hear us? Do you hear anything?
No.
Nothing? All right.
The bed to the right.
I got one victim on the ground in the kitchen.
They cautiously move in, and while some officers continue clearing the home, others consider a way to get the victim to safety.
Hey, should we carry her out? Should we carry her out? Ma'am. I'm not feeling close. You want to just carry her out? Never mind. Yeah, I didn't see it.
52-year-old Josephine Muentes, the roommate and best friend of Michael's mother, has a fatal gunshot wound to the head. On a table, officers locate what's described as a large revolver.
So it's a revolver.
It's a revolving musket.
He loaded every single one of them with a blasting cap and black powder. It sounded like, so I heard his, it sounded like it was that long drawn out. Yeah. But then I heard ours coming, whipping past me. I hear the musket go off and poof, poof. I'm like,
you hear zipping, that's when you gotta get skinny.
yeah. Dude, they went right past my head, bro.
What did?
His muzzle.
Oh, really? Shooting at you?
No, he was shooting this way. And I was right there behind that car. Phew.
According to police records, no officers were injured in the shootout. Thankfully, Michael's mother and daughter were just as fortunate, with neither being severely injured.
They're going to the Tampa General Hospital. I'm gonna get in the car and hold her that way. Both of them are superficial.
Okay.
One shot grazed the head on the right side here.
Okay.
The mom, his daughter got shot right here, also grazed.
His daughter?
His daughter. So he shot his own daughter and his own mom.
Okay.
And then the friend Montez that's inside.
Okay.
That's
How old is daughter? Adult daughter or kid?
I got her date of birth 2006. So she may be.
Okay, yeah.
Is she
So
adult?
she's like
a kid?
16.
Yeah, she's a kid.
17.
Yeah. Apparently, I didn't get a full statement because of how fast everything was going.
Okay.
Supposedly, he's in love with daughter. They're realizing that he's mentally ill and got some situation going on with his own daughter. Yeah, that's what we're saying. So they're trying to get him to leave or get her to leave, and that's what initiated this. I'll get further once I get there.
But this barely scratches the surface, and grotesque text messages Michael sent to his daughter will soon expose the horrifying extent of his plans. Meanwhile, his criminal past comes to light.
This guy lost a lot of weight compared to his last, his RMS, he was a lot heavier. Photo.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. History of mental illness or anything?
No. Well, while driving over here, I'm pulling him up. He basically just had a career criminal history. I couldn't see what all the charges were.
According to a criminal affidavit, Michael is a career offender, having previously been convicted of both simple battery and aggravated battery of a pregnant female.
This is why when kids get a certain age, get them out the house.
How old is he?
He's born in 81, so 42.
Oh, he's not that. He's old.
Yeah, 42 years old.
Almost as old as me.
No business living with mom.
According to the affidavit, the discussion of his living situation is what ultimately triggered Michael in the first place. It came after his mother discovered his horrifying secret, his plans to pursue his own daughter romantically. In a series of text messages to the 17-year-old girl, he writes, "I've been trying to find a girl who will stay with me without me investing money in her. You have a special place in my heart that no one else can ever fill. I'm coming out in the open with my feelings for you because I don't want you to leave again. I'm willing to bow down to you and do anything to keep you here. If you want me, I'll get married to you. I hope to feel your love soon." After learning of Michael's plans for his daughter, his mother and her roommate Josephine began to discuss forcing Michael to move out. Michael admitted he overheard them, describing feeling betrayed and upset. He then went to his room and carefully loaded his revolver before returning to the kitchen, where he shot and killed 52-year-old Josephine Muentes before turning the gun on his mother and 17-year-old daughter. In January of 2024, 42-year-old Michael Monroe Banks was charged with first-degree premeditated murder with a firearm enhancement, 2 counts of premeditated attempted murder in the first degree with a firearm enhancement, attempted premeditated first-degree murder of a law enforcement officer, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. Michael entered a plea of not guilty. The state's motion for pretrial detention was granted, meaning he will remain behind bars until his jury trial, which is set to begin in August of 2026. If you'd like to see select new videos early,
that is sick. Sick, man. See, so on the outside of things, his charges don't really say that he's a creep. So for the inmates to really know, they're gonna have to really get into that paperwork and see what's really going on with dude. Because it's not like he got a grape charge or anything like that. You know what I mean? Like his charges is, you know. But that's some sick stuff, man. You wanna get with your kid? He said he wanna feel her or whatever he said. Yo, that is sick. Like, yo, your kid? Oh my. That is some sick shit there, man. That's nasty work, man. Nasty work. This is insane. It's been a little minute since I did EWU, man. That's oh boy, that's nasty work, man. Hopefully he get everything he deserved, man. Spend the rest of his life in jail, and hopefully he's somebody's bitch, man. You know, that's my hope for him. Anyway, yeah, because turning them into Swiss cheese is the easy route. That's the easy route. You know, you don't really get to feel the pain and you know what I'm saying? If they just finish you off right there, you know what I mean? Like, all right, it's done and over with. But, you know, going in jail and, you know, living that hell every day, you know, that's a lot. That's all right. That's all right. Feel bad for the family though, man. Sad situation. I get an officers of 5. It could have been real bad, and you know, with bullets being close to you and stuff like that, it's a scary situation. You know what I mean? So it's really no joke, man. But everything turned out for the best. So the ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.